Real Icelandic bullshit with a free stainless steel spoon. We made it. Looking for some coffee. This one. Circle and the plane and all those kind of things.
I'll just have a regular coffee.
Yeah. And what is that?
That's a Yona Masala, so it's an Icelandic Happy Marriage cake made of oats and rhubarb. The last one? Yeah, these are the last one I have. Yes. Well, I'm gonna take it.
Rhubarb. What's the name of this town? Alright, we're in Iceland, in a little town. We're on the east coast? We're on the east coast of Iceland. And we're at this little place called Aldan. It's a restaurant. How do you pronounce it?
Good luck with that.
Oh, Seyðisfjörður. We're in a town called Seyðisfjörður Iceland. What kind of place is this?
Oh, 6-pack. Oh, nice. Yes.
It's a pre-chewed cracker. This is Icelandic grass. This is like some rice grains. This is like 1 grain of rice.
Right.
It's like 1 grain of rice right there. It's Icelandic bullshit. Real Icelandic bullshit. Real Icelandic bullshit right here.
Any of those.
A pizza with Icelandic lobster and lime. Thank you. We ordered a sour beer with blueberries. This is a sour beer with blueberries. It's different.
Different?
It's different. Alright, we're in Iceland. We are here. Alright, we ordered a pizza with Icelandic lobster and lime. Skaftfell, this place is recommended. 100% local, 100% weird and bizarre. It's good. How is it? Good. This is good. Seyðisfjörður, that's where we are. Seyðisfjörður, Iceland.